Here's the cat.
Thank you. You have any other questions or anything like that? Yeah, that little piece I welded is give like an hour or so to dry, but you know the dent's out, looks a lot better.
Yeah.
So, but you still got a little bit up here. Let me see if I can do it that. Give me 1 second. A little bit better.
Yeah.
It's not that swollen.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate
thank
the
you.
work
Have
and
a good
everything.
day.
All right, take care. Drive safe.